Hello guys, welcome back to another edition of Business Connect. My name is Roy. So in today's edition of Business Connect, we'll be talking about recent news about the return of international students to China. And today we'll be focusing on Pakistan. As usual, I was perusing the internet and finding more information to give you guys, and I stumbled on this information from Pakistan. And so I decided to share this with you guys. But if this is your first time on the channel, please consider subscribing. We need your subscription to make the channel growing. If you want to support us, give us your subscription. So I'll see you after the break. So welcome back, guys. So like I promised you guys, as far as the return of international students is concerned, I promise you on this channel, if I stumble on any information or if I come across anything worth sharing, I will not hesitate to share that with you. And I will not only share the information with you, I'm also going to give you some analysis of what I think about the situation. So recently I saw a news on the internet about the Pakistani embassy in China asking for information or organized on their website and asking Pakistani students who are in Pakistan or who are stuck in Pakistan and wish to return to China to give their information on their website, to register and give their information so that they can coordinate with the Chinese authorities and see how they can bring back these students. So I'm going to display on the screen how I saw the information. And when I saw this information, as usual, the first place, once I saw information like this, I found it on Facebook. The first place I went to was on the comment section. I read the first few comments, and some of the comments, as usual, students will always sound a little bit so negative in the beginning. Some of students were saying, oh, how productive can this be? Chinese government are just playing with our studies. They're not taking us serious. You see, they're always going to start with negative comments. And some people were saying, oh, it's fake. It's not true. There's nothing happening like that. The website is not even opening. It's not responding. So I took upon myself to try it out. So I went to the website, which I'm going to share with you exactly how I did it. I went to the website, I opened the website, I went right down into the instruction, I read the instruction, I read the information, I saw it on the official website, it was true. And then I opened the website and then I saw the information, and then the link that they said students should share, should open to register their information. I also went as far as opening that link to see for myself if it's really true and if it really works. So I opened the information and it was valid. It was true. I saw the website. I opened the link and everything. I saw the Excel sheet. I'm going to share with you how students are supposed to register their information. All of this is to know the number of Pakistani students who are out of China and who are ready to return to China, who are still ready, because like I said, some students might have given up. Some students are not ready to return to China because they are so angry. So now the government is doing like a survey to know the number of Pakistani students who are stuck in Pakistan and who are ready to return to China. That is why they are collecting this information. Okay guys, so when I heard about the news, I decided to check it out myself, and I came to the website to see pakbj.org. Let's see what's in the website. Let's check it out all by ourselves. Okay, so this is the website of the Embassy of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan in Beijing, and this is the notice that was made on the 23rd. This is the notice here that was made on the 23rd of July. And let's go into the notice and see what it says. This is the notice, and the notice says the government of Pakistan is ascertaining the details of Pakistani students enrolled in Chinese universities who are currently in Pakistan and want to return to their universities in China. So you see, the purpose of such students may go to the website of the Embassy of Pakistan in Beijing. This is the website, and click student registration in the bottom left page and download the Excel sheet completely to fill out the form and send to this email. Okay,
So you have to go to this website and download the form. So let's look for the form and see if it actually works. I'll take the pain to go through it and see. Okay guys, so this is the page. So out of curiosity, I said let me find out to see if it's actually working. The notice say we should check down at the bottom left and click on student registration. And here we are. This is the place, student registration. Now let's click on student registration and see what happens. Okay, you see it says it downloaded a form. Let's open the form and see what's inside. You see it has this form here which you have to fill in your information and save. So here you have your name, passport number, expiry date, and so on, ID number, degree, course, major, registration. You see it has all the information, your university, your province, date of arrival in Pakistan, urgency of joining the university, mobile number. It has everything. So after you download this form and fill all the information, you have to send it to an email address that they gave. They gave an email address that you have to, this is the email address. The email address was given here. Let's see. So you have to do everything and then send it to this email address here. That is what the Pakistani government is doing.
Then also, as I was doing my research, finding out more information about this, I also stumbled on something on Twitter and on Facebook that I'm going to share with you guys. I stumbled on something on Facebook, and it was like Pakistani students, they are so organized and they are so anxious to return to China that they were giving their government like their proposals, like this is what we want our government to do, and they actually made it out clear that we want the government to do this, we want the government to do this for us, do this, this, and this, and they were doing all that to make sure that they return to China. And not only on Facebook, I also stumbled on something on Twitter which I'm going to share with you. So guys, not only about the health issues, there are also a lot of diplomatic negotiations that are going on as far as the issue of bringing back international students to China is concerned. So I don't know what your country is doing. I don't know what your association, I don't know how organized your students are. But my advice, if you're from a country and you have a number of students who are stuck in that country, I suggest that you don't just fold your arms and sit. It's not like you should be putting a lot of pressure. Just let your government know that you're waiting. And they can also do something, as you can see the students in India, Pakistan, Bangladesh are doing. I've not heard news from students from other areas. I don't know if they're doing something under the ground, but if you're doing something, let me know in the comment section below. Or if you want to share with us, we will be organizing our live streams on Wednesdays. If you want to come on our live streams and share your experience or share with us news or what your students are doing, you're welcome to join our streams. Okay guys, so before we come to the end of this video, I would just like to give a couple of advice to students. Accept your admission and continue with your online classes. There is this issue of MBBS students who they think some countries don't accept classes done online up to a number of semesters. I don't know, but I'm still on this issue. I'm still finding out more information about this. Countries countries that don't accept MBBS online, what should the students do? Forfeit the studies or suspend their studies, or what negotiations are done as far as this is concerned? I'm still finding out information about this, and I'm going to do an exclusive video to talk about this or to give advice to students about this issue. Students who are doing MBBS whose countries might not accept online classes. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video up to this end. I hope you liked the video. I hope you like what we're doing. If you like what we're doing, please give us a thumbs up on the video. Encourage us with your subscription so that we continue to find more valuable information and continue to encourage students out there. I'll see you in our next video. Peace out and bye-bye.